Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you the alternatives that you can use comparing to Adobe Lightroom. So the first one is Darktable, very popular one as an alternative, free and open source, also closest to Lightroom workflow, non-destructive editing, excellent RAW support, 400 plus cameras, modular interface, powerful masking, local adjustments that you can actually get there. Also cataloging system, tagging, rating, collections, GPU accelerated processing, feather shooting, a lot of stuff, but it gets steeper learning curve. This is something that you can actually expect if you want to actually work with it. Interface can feel technical, complex, no mobile app, no cloud sync, slower performance than Lightroom on some systems. So this is the first one. The another one is called RAW Therapy, and what is it about? This is also free and open source that you can use. Powerful 30-bit floating point processing engine, excellent demo scan algorithm, handles most RAW formats, but the cons like weaker photo management, cataloging, no database, user sidecar files, can be slowly laggy with high-res images, higher RAM requirements, like 4 gigabytes plus recommending, and also the learning curve is also a little bit higher. Another one, Digicam. This is another one that I want to share with you. So free and open source, excellent photo management, DAM, digital asset management, AI-powered phaser recognition, auto tagging and scene detection, powerful batch processing, tagging, rating, filtering, handles massive archives, geolocation map view. So this one is also great, but the free version, the photo editing capabilities limited comparing to Darktable and RAW Therapy. Interface not as polished. Then you get also this one right here, the Photo Director Essential. So free version with no time limit, combines Lightroom style organization with Photoshop style editing, raw processing, layer support, AI tools, and free version get watermarks. But again, these first three are the ones that I like the most, to be honest. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.